Hi, Andrea here. Great to be with you today. So today's thought for the day is just thinking doesn't forward anything. So, is it important to think about things before you jump and do them or whatever? Yes, it is. It is a good idea. But here's the thought, because sometimes we use, well, let me think about it to deflect, to delay, to put something off, to get somebody off your back, for example. So really just pay attention to how often you deflect to thinking. I'll think about that. Share in the comments below what comes to mind about this one, because it's really interesting what the mind does, and then whether we do or don't, whatever it is. Make sense? Just thinking doesn't forward anything. Have a wonderful day. And remember, share in the comments below.